Now let's see string functions in R. There are many inbuilt string functions are present in R, which we can use. Those string functions are to-lower. To-lower means whenever we are giving any string into the upper letter, that upper letter will be converted into the lower functionality. So next one is to-upper. Whenever I want to make any string into the upper case, so simply inside it I can pass any lower string, and this to-upper function will convert the data into the uppercase. Now there is a paste function. Paste function will join all the number of strings as a one. So this is a paste function. So here, suppose here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 string data I am giving. So paste function will add all the data. Paste function will add all the data as a one. So it will just make it as a one string. Now coming to the sub-str. Sub-str means substring. Substring means this substring will fetch out the subset of the string. So whenever we are providing the substring, here we have to pass on the 3 parameters: the string name, the started character from, and the ending character. It means from where I have to start and up to which string, up to how many characters I have to extract. So that will come into the end. So substring will find out the subset of the string. Then there is a sub function. Inside the sub function, that will replace the particular character with another character. So it is a kind of replace function. We will be using all these functionalities now. Now there is a grep function. Grep function will filter searches. This particular function will filter searches a file for a particular patterns of character. So if in a given string I want to find out a particular pattern into the characters, so there we can use the grep function. So now we'll be doing each and everything practically here. Oh, let's go here. Now one can see here, suppose here I'm making one of the string. So I can find out that what is the total number of characters. So to find out the total number of characters in that particular string, so there is a nchar. Nchar means number of characters. Suppose simply I had written here nchar. Nchar means number of characters. Inside the number of characters, how many total number of characters are present here? A, B, C, D. It means 4 characters are present here. We can just make a count here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 characters are present here. So it will say number of characters are 4. So let's see it here. Suppose I run it here. Press enter. It is saying 4 characters are there. Suppose here I'm just providing nchar, and inside it I'm providing the another computer. Suppose this one. So we can just check it out. Computers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 character. Let's see. It is saying number of characters are 8. I can pass a string also, a string variable also in nchar. So simply here, if I'm writing here str, inside I'm just making the str, any variable here into the str, and I'm passing here computer inside this string variable, and now I can find it out. Nchar, what is the number of character in this given string here? So here it is just giving 8. Suppose here I'm passing string 1 as a business analytics. This one is a variable. String 1 is a variable which is holding the value of business analytics. I want to run it here. I can see that what is the string 1 here. I want to find out what is the number of characters here. It is 18. Okay. Now here there is a tool over functionalities. Inside the tool over means if a given string is into the higher case, upper case, so that will be translated into the lower case here. How to give it? To lower. Inside it, I can pass it out uppercase character A, B, C, D, E. Here I am passing out the uppercase of characters, and here just I am clicking it here. So see here, this A, B, C, D, which is coming into the capital letter, that one is into the smaller letters now. At the same time, suppose here I'm just passing two lower here. I'm just writing it here. Business, I'm passing it here. Click here onto the run button. So see here, if I'm running this, so business I'm passing as the higher case. This will be transformed into the lower. So two lower means come to lower case. Even I can pass the string 1 into the two lower. So here I had created a string 1. Here I had provided a analytics. So two lower function will transform the data into the lower functionalities. Two lower, string 1 is there. Analytics is given here. Now two upper is there. Okay. Two upper is there. So two upper means if I am passing the number of characters here and I want to make that characters in uppercase. If I want to make that characters in uppercase, so simply I can use the two upper function. So for two upper function, simply I can write it here. Two upper, see here it is coming into the auto response. And here I'm just passing any lower functionality. Suppose here I'm just passing A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, all the things are here in lower character. If I'm pressing it here as an enter, it is just coming up as the higher letter, uppercase. Again, I'm just coming it here as the two upper and passing any other. Suppose here I am putting entirely the given number of character into the smaller letter. So all the letter will be into the higher uppercase now. So two upper is there. If I am passing here two upper business is into the lower character. So all the characters will be into the uppercase now. One can see it here. Business is coming into the uppercase. Here also I can pass a string variable into the two upper that will start recognizing it and it will start coming as the uppercase now. Now coming to the next one, there is a paste function. Inside the paste function, it will concatenate the entire data and make all the data as one. Suppose here I'm just passing here paste is the function here. Here I'm writing happy birthday. Okay, so here I'm passing happy birthday, paste happy birthday. It is making it as a 1, happy birthday. Suppose here I'm just writing two things. Okay, here I'm writing suppose Jupiter and another word here I'm writing planet. So if I press it, it is just giving me the Jupiter planet. In the similar way, if I'm just clicking it here, paste business analytics in R. So click here into the run here. All the data is coming as a single string here. Okay. Now there is a function substring. What substring will do? Substring will take 3 parameters. It will find out the starting parameter and ending parameter, and it will give as the subset of the given string. So how to work with it? To work with it here, suppose here I'm just giving substring. Substring is a function. Here 3 parameters I need to give. Suppose here I'm just writing New York. Okay. Now I want to take it out York. Y-O-R-K I want to take it. So here, let's see what is the position here of New York. So let's count the number of characters. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is onto the 4th position. Y is coming onto the 4th position. Then 6, 5, 6, 7. So here 7. Okay, so let's see 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so here I'm again showing it. Suppose New York is there. I want to take the character here, this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I want to take out the data up to this one. So it means when we are giving the substring function, so there I have to give inside the substring 2 things here. Substring. One is the total string. Here I have to give the value of start option. It means from where to start the number of character and up to end, up to which particular character I should end the subset. So here I can say I want York. So York will be started from 4th character here. So simply I will give it here 4 and then ending up to 7th character here. So 7. So it means here I have to give New York. Inside the New York, start from the 4, end up to 7. That we can give it. So if I click it here, what I'll do, I'll write the same things now here. New York, start from 4, end up to 7. 3 parameters we had filled it here. So if I click it here onto the run button, it is just giving me the York. See, the same result which we are expecting, it is just giving me York. If I'm giving it here substring, okay, I'm changing it, the same things, New York, and here I want to give new. I want to take it out as a new. So from where to start? From the 1 I have to start. So here new I need it here. So from where to start as a 1 and up to 3 I can just move. So start from 1, end up to 3, so that we can do it here. So start to 1, 1 and end up to 3. So up to there we can do that. So if I press here enter, it is just gave me new here. Okay. Now here we can see, suppose I want to find out in this string, business analytics in R language, in R, this one, business analytics in R language. So this one is a string, I can pass the string into the substring and I want to find out what, suppose here, I want to find out analytics. How to find it out? So first of all, I have to find out the starting character of A. What is the starting number of character A here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Space also I have to count and then 10. 10 I have to give it, okay? And then further I have to take it from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18, 19, we can just give it here. So it means nearby up to 18, we have to find it out, okay? So analytics will come. So starting character will be 10 and ending character will be 18 in which string 3. So we can find out that particular number of character. So we can see now the same things here. this one, if I'm just running the same one, passing the string 3, then starting is 10, ending up to 19. So if I run it here, that will give me the analytics as the answer. Okay. Suppose here, I'll write here string 4. Okay, I'm making one variable here, and inside it, I'm just writing, suppose here, Germany and France. Okay, and Italy, right? Suppose now I want to find it out that I want to fetch out the France only. So I have to find out the number of characters. So here I can find it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and now here 9. Start from 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Up to 14 I have to give. So it means start is 9, end is 14 into string 4. So that I can do. I can write it here. Sub str string 4 and starting from 9 and ending up to 14. 9, 14. Okay. So it is just giving us the France. The same I need Italy. So you can just test it out. 14 we had reached. 15, 16 we can just give. So the same thing I can repeat it here. But I want to change it here. 16. Here I have to give 16. And suppose, let me check it out. Wait just a moment. One more. 16. And then ending character I have to give 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So if I give up to 20 here, so 16 to 20 it will take it. So it is just giving me the Italy here. Okay, so in this way we can work with the substring now. Now there's another function, sub function. With the sub function, basically, it will start taking the particular string and it will replace that particular string. So whenever replace is required of a particular character or the number of characters, we can do that. How? Here, suppose string 3. What is a string 3? This one is a string 3. Suppose I'm running this string 3. So string 3 is what? Basically this one. Okay. So wait, control C here. I'm doing, just let me run it here. Here you can see, just a moment. Now we can see here string 3. I'm running the string 3 here. Inside it, business analytics in our language is given. Now I need to replace this language with the example. Okay, so instead of this language, example should be there. So sub function is present here. So sub, inside the sub, I have to pass the 3 parameters such as which particular character I need to replace and what will be the replacement character. So suppose here right now I am having the language. I want to replace the language with examples so that I can do it here. So I want to replace the language with examples as the replacement in string 3. If I run it now, one can see instead of language, earlier one is a language, now there is an example. So with the help of sub function, we can replace the given characters. Okay. Suppose here I'm taking the second example. Suppose here I want to replace here with a sub function. Suppose here I'm just giving replace the York by what? Delhi. Okay, replace the York by Delhi. In which string? I'm just directly passing the string here as a New Delhi. Okay, here York. I'm just passing it here. So what it is doing, see here, it is just passing this one, that sub function will replace the York with Delhi in which string? This particular string. So here it will cut the York and the new replacement will be the Delhi. Okay. So one can see the resultant is a Delhi. And here the same one, earlier it is a language, but now later on with the sub function it is coming as the examples now. Okay. Now there is a grep function. What grep function will do, it will find out the pattern matching in the given string. So how to give it with a pattern matching? So here we can see grep function. Suppose I had given a vector here, simple vector here. So that vector is showing what? Suppose here inside this four strings are present: ABC, BDA, CCA, ABD. Okay. Now I want to find it out that inside these 4 strings, what is the B plus pattern? It means where is the B plus pattern? Somewhere B character is present there and associated B, whether it's A or C, but there should be B. B is the pattern. Find out the B pattern. So it will just check it out that where are the B characters. So where are the B characters now? So here B plus means B should be present there. Associated with it, it can be anything. A, D, F, G, anything. So it will give the emphasis of to find out the B character now. So here B is there, so it means 1 is there. Here also B is there, so inside the 2th string is also there, but here it is not present there, and here it is present there. So it will just say in 1, 2, and 4, B is present, right? So if I'm running the same string here I'm running it. So one can say the same answer, 1 to 4. So here it is just saying, yes, it is true. We had find it out this B plus pattern in 1 to 4, the similar one which we had searched here. That B plus pattern we had find it out here in first string, second string, and the 4th string. Means first string, second string, and the 4th string. 3rd string, no. That's why there's no 3 here. The similar operation, if I want to take it here with a D plus. So I want to find out where is the D. So here it is not, but here it is. Here it is not, but here it is. So it means into the 2nd and 4th pattern we had find it out the D plus operation. Means D character is there, but there could be else character also. So if I'm running the same one here, this one, click here onto the run. See here the same resultants which here told you, this one 2, 4 is presented here, the same one is present here with the 2, 4. Okay, so in this way it will start working now. So grep function is to find out the pattern matching. If suppose this one is there, we can see here that just find out what? Find out rect keyword in these two. Find out that rect keyword is present in first or second which particular strings here. So here, if I run it here, it is just saying first. It means it is saying that a rect character is present here into the rectangle. So it means only into the first. But inside it, it is not there. So that's why it is saying only into the first rectangle I find it out. That's why 1 is coming here. Now here, suppose here, I'm just giving here a string regular expressions example of our language here. So suppose here, I want to find out that in this particular string, where is the EX character? Wherever the EX character is present, so that could be represented here. So EX character is there. Click here onto the run button. So here it is showing. So with the EX character here, it is showing into the 2 and 3. EX character, it is showing into 2 and 3. It means 1, 2, 3, 3. So it is showing 2 and 3. So one can see it here. Yes, EX is present here. And yes, EX is present here. So into both 2 and 3, it is presented here. Inside the 1, no. 1 inside it, it is not present here. So in this way, basically, we can work with the grep function. So now we had learned about the basic string functions present into the R functionalities.